This video I'm going to show how I reset the maintenance light on my 2007 Toyota Matrix. If you have a code reader, the first thing you will want to do is make sure the maintenance light isn't being triggered by another issue that may require service. However, if you don't have a reader and clear the code, the other issue should trigger the maintenance light to come back on again. I have read comments that you may experience problems if you have the odometer set to trip mode. So to start, I turn the key to the accessory position, then I push in and hold the trip reset button and turn the key to the on position. Then there will be 4 blinking dashes that will disappear one at a time until it turns off the maintenance light, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.